Hey guys, I'm at the market and I'm on the hunt for some fresh Tenderstem broccoli for my teriyaki broccoli tempeh rice parcels. Let's go.
I'm Ching, a TV chef and food writer. To celebrate Veganuary this year, Ching-He have challenged me to create some mouth-watering plant-based meals. So join me as I seek out the freshest produce and combine it with Ching-He's famous flavor-packed sauces to make something truly Veglicious.
Okay, so this is it, some beautiful Tenderstem broccoli. Look at it, really nice and super fresh, dark leafy greens with a tender stem, full of antioxidants, vitamin A, vitamin C, really good for your skin. And these are going to provide a lovely sweet tender bite in my teriyaki broccoli tempeh rice parcels.
So I've got this beautiful bunch of Tenderstem broccoli, and the first thing I want to do is just to slice it into nice 1-inch pieces. And I love Tenderstem broccoli, really crunchy and really delicious. Next, I've got here a block of tempeh. Now tempeh is fermented soybeans and it's really high in protein. So I'm just going to slice it down the middle and then into 1 centimeter slices. So put all the broccoli and the tempeh in a deep dish, and then I'm just going to drizzle it with Ching-He's teriyaki sauce, savory and sweet and sticky. I want to make sure we coat all the broccoli and the tempeh. Next, I want to prepare my sushi rice. Now this is already cooked and it's just cooled to room temperature. So first I want to make a dressing for the rice. A teaspoon of golden caster sugar. I'm going to add Ching-He's seasoned rice vinegar, and this is going to impart a lovely earthy tangy note. Just give this a good mix, and then I'm just going to drizzle it all over the rice. And then just gently mix that together. I'm going to add in Ching-He's pure sesame oil, and this is going to give the rice a lovely nutty aroma. Just using wetted hands, I'm going to shape the rice into small oblong pieces. I'm just going to dip it in some black sesame seeds, toasted white sesame seeds, and some chives. Look at that, look at the colors of that. That's perfect. So just keep rolling. This bit needs a bit of patience, but it's all worth it. So next I want to prepare some grated ginger. 1-inch piece of fresh fruit ginger. It's time to wok. A tablespoon of rapeseed oil. I'm going to add in the ginger. And then very quickly I'm going to add in the marinated teriyaki tempeh and the broccoli. Just give that a good stir. The tempeh is getting caramelized. The Tenderstem broccoli is turning a much darker green, and it smells amazing. And don't worry if the tempeh pieces break apart. Now that's going to go beautifully with the rice. So I'm going to take it off the heat. I've got here some gem lettuce. I'm going to just spoon some of this delicious broccoli and the tempeh. I'm going to top it with a mound of sushi rice, and then just garnish it with some fresh carrots and some fresh chili. And that's it. That's my teriyaki broccoli tempeh rice parcels.